Hi friends, welcome to Rec TV Info. Today we are going to discuss about the new job notification released by the RRB. Before discussing about that, please subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the notification in detail. And the name of the post is the Diesel Loco Modernization Works Apprentice Program. Since it is an apprentice program, there will be lot of opportunities on various qualifications. So the number of posts available for this category, all the categories is 182, and the starting date to apply is 27th of February 2020, and coming to the last date for applying for this job for this notification is 16th of March 2020, and coming to the last date of payment, and the payment can be done through online. And for general categories, the fee comprises for 100 rupees, and other categories like SC, ST and OBC, there will be no charge. There is a free of application for them. Now let's discuss the age limit for this notification to apply. Minimum age required for this job is 15 years, and the maximum age for the welder post required for is 22 years, and the maximum age required to apply for this notification in other categories, which we are going to discuss in the next slide, is of 24 years, and the maximum and the age limit for other posts between 20 to 25 years. And the age relaxation rules are as per the instructions given in their notification. Now let's discuss the post name along with the number of posts and their qualification required to apply. Coming to the first post, which is an electrician, the number of posts available for this category is 70, and the qualification required for this electrician is 10th with an ITI with electrician knowledge. And coming to the second category, which is a mechanic in the diesel engine, which is a number of posts available are 40, and coming to the qualification required for mechanic is 10th with an ITI with a mechanical knowledge. And coming to the third post or third category, which is a machinist, and the number of posts available are 32, and coming to the qualification required for machinist to apply is 10th with ITI in machinist. And coming to the fourth category, which is a fitter, the number of posts available are 23, and coming to the qualification required for the fitter is the 10th with ITI in fitter knowledge. And coming to the last category, which is a welder, the number of posts available are 17, and coming to the qualification required for welder is minimum of 8th class should be completed by a person. If you have any doubts or queries, we can also provide a link in our description. And also if you want some more information about the new job notification, you can also check into their official website, which is www.dmw.indianrailways.gov.in. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.